Not paid the advance tax? Well, March 15th is the last date for payment of the last installment of advance tax for financial year 2023. So let us first understand what exactly is advance tax. Advance tax is the amount of income tax that should be paid in installments as you earn every quarter rather than in one lump sum at the end of the financial year. The first installment, that is 15% of the total amount, should be paid by 15th June. The payment of the second installment or 45% of the tax should be made by 15th of September of a financial year. The third installment, that is by 75% of the total advance tax, should be cleared by 15th of December of a particular financial year, and the remaining amount or the complete 100% of the taxes should be paid before 15th of March. Now, who really needs to pay this tax? Well, according to the Tax Department's official website, every individual whose estimated tax liability for a financial year is 10,000 rupees or more is required to pay his tax in advance in the form of advance tax. Also, individuals who have sources of income other than the salary are required to pay this advance tax. Now, this could include income from rent, income from capital gains, fixed deposits, lottery winnings, etc. However, this rule does not apply to senior citizens who are not supposed to pay any advance tax unless and until they have an income from a business or a profession. Now, salaried persons who don't have any income other than salary also need not pay this advance tax installment as their employers deduct the applicable tax from their monthly salaries. Now, what is the penalty if you really fail to pay the advance tax or miss this March 15th deadline to pay the final installment of the advance tax? Now, when a taxpayer fails to pay income tax prior to the due date, they would be liable to pay interest on the unpaid tax under Section 234B and Section 243C. If an individual fails to pay the advance tax liability or misses any of the installments on or before the specified due date, or there is a shortfall in the payment, the due amount will definitely attract interest of 3% per quarter for the first 3 quarters, that is, and 1% for the final quarter. An individual will also be liable to pay additional interest from April, that is after the end of the financial year, at the rate of 1% per month on the shortfall of the advance tax, in case the advance tax paid by such an individual is less than 90% of the total tax payable.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.